Hello everyone, welcome to Acing Academy's YouTube channel. So in this particular video, we'll be talking about the new recruitment opportunity which has been released by Bank of India, right? This particular opportunity has been released for specially computer science students. A lot of positions are there. Yes, for all those positions, there is one or two vacancies or three vacancies like that, but number of positions are a lot. So that's a positive sign. So close to 70, 80 only. We can see that final number is not given, but close to that only, right? Let's click on this first notification. Over here, there is a one-page PDF which is there, web notice which has been released for recruitment of officers in various streams up to scale 4, and the date of the notice is 1st of January. But the submission of online application form is commencing on 8th of March. So from 8th of March it has been started, and last date of the online application it is 23rd of March, right? And the relevant age, qualification, experience, the final date was 1st of January. Now below that notification only, what we can do is we can click on the annexures for applying online and for seeing the notice in detail regarding the eligibility criteria and everything. So this is your date limit. So starting it is 8th of March and last date is 23rd of March. What we can do is we can click over here and we can go to annexure 1. So it's a 72-page document in which various vacancies for various positions they have released. Especially it is mainly for computer science students, for experienced and inexperienced candidates we can see, right? And what is the qualification requirements? Let's see. So for chief engineer, database and administrator, number of vacancies are 2, age limit is 20 to 40, 60% marks in computer science, information technology like that, electronics, electrical, MCA students, MSc computer science students, IT students are also applicable. So BCNE, MCA students, right? BCA, MCA students. Preferred qualifications, Oracle certified associate, Oracle certified professional if you are, then you can apply. After that, TOGAF or PMP certification if you have, good. Project management professional, ITIL, intermediate or higher level certification, then only you will be applicable. Work experience, minimum 7 years of hands-on experience in database and data modeling and XA data platform, right? After that, specified preferred skill which is required. Again, it is mentioned clearly over here what is the preferred skill which is required. I'll make sure that this document is attached in the description box below, right? You can see this document in the description box because it is very detailed. So you can, if you want to look at it and take time in looking at it, I'm just over here telling you the brief of what is a requirement, vacancies also. And you can see computer science students, MCA students are applicable, and other qualifications also they have mentioned clearly. Cisco expert or architect certification if you have, Juniper checkpoint certified security administrator, Fortinet certified McAfee security specialist, TOGF, PMP or ITIL, intermediate or higher level certification if it is. Do you have, you can apply. Work experience 7 years, right, in IT. And whatever the required qualification is there, they have clearly mentioned here. Chief engineer, chief manager IT, 2 vacancies, 28 to 40, whatever the required experience is there. 7 years of experience is required in this specified field. After that, MCA students again applicable. Here computer science, electrical, electronic students are also applicable. MTech in computer science students are also applicable over here. Chief manager IT, number of vacancies 2. After that, what is your required experience? 7 years in IT industry and various qualifications which are required, right? They have clearly mentioned. After that, chief manager IT, SMGS, number of vacancies 28, number of vacancies is 1. 28 to 40 is your age limit, again computer science students applicable, right? So as you can see, the education qualification, it is same, and work experience is also same, 7 years. But again, what is the required domain? They have mentioned it separately. So whatever is required, you can look out for that clearly, right? Please look out for that clearly. And if you have the required qualification and experience, then do check it out once, right? It's a good notification, very detailed one, which has been released. Plus, do check it out on. I'll attach this document in the description box below, right? Number of vacancies, age limit is also same and approximately same. All of them, 28 to 37, and there in some positions, right? So I'm assuming that 72-page document it is, and on each and every is having 2 or 3 or 1. So close to 100 vacancies are there, even more than that, right? And there are at least 2 or 3, so it can be close to 130, 140 as well, right? So good amount of vacancies are there, as you can see, good vacancies. So if you, especially for all BSc Computer Science, BTech Computer Science, MCA students, do check it out. This is a very good notification which has been released for the computer science students, for experienced professionals mainly. Experience and work ethic, work knowledge which is required, and the certifications which are required, they are clearly mentioned. There will be a very high chance if you are a working professional, then it's a good opportunity. You can apply for this position. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Maybe it will be helpful for someone else. Thank you for watching.